Christmas, everybody. Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Today is December 24th, 2019. This is a brand new client for me. Needed a cleaning. They called me on Friday and wanted to get it cleaned as soon as possible, so I had an open spot in the morning. Decided to get it taken care of for them so they can enjoy some clean carpet for the holiday season. As you can see, I did some lighting on my CRB here for fun. Figured what the heck. Thought it'd be cool. Be a little festive. So I'm just doing the master bedroom, the loft area up here, the stairs, and one bedroom downstairs. Office, more or less. This is a job that I earned on the spot. I didn't bid it first, which is really nice when you get those type of jobs coming through, that once you build up your reputation on Google and Facebook and whatnot, that when they look at your reviews, they make their decision whether they're going to use you or not right then and there, in most cases before they even speak to you. So I only spoke to her over the phone. The man came out, measured it, and then obviously started cleaning it. So I'm on the third step of my process here. Since they're a first-time client, I want to be for sure scrubbing the carpet. Make sure I don't get anything left behind that I have to try and get out with the wand. There was an area right here, so this carpet's pretty fresh, but they wanted it cleaned because I think the dog might have marked in this area. There was a couple little small spots in the master bedroom, which I'll be getting to here shortly. So, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your support. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. Spending time with family and friends, but however you celebrate. I appreciate your time. If you happen to see this, if I get this uploaded in time for Christmas Eve, or if it shows up on Christmas Day, I hope you're having a Merry Christmas. Felt like getting this done for them. Didn't have anything going on until the evening for myself and my family. What better to do something good for somebody else? Spread some holiday cheer. Make somebody feel good that you don't even know. Sometimes that's one of the best feelings ever, when you can bless somebody on a day that probably a lot of companies like this may not do service on. Building relationships is important, and this definitely will help with that. Doing something kind. I'll be leaving them my spotter bottle that I got, 8-ounce spotter bottle for any stains. You know, it's perfect for this time of the year because you've got family coming over, you're having a big nice dinner, something spills, you have something to help get it out, so you're not freaking out and calling us back just for one little spot and spending more money than you need to. We all know during the holiday season you don't want to do that. We've already spent a lot on doing stuff for friends and family. You got kids like me, you know you're broke. So, whatever we can do to help, we try. So we found those bottle bottles to be a huge help, even though we haven't had them for that long. People seem to be liking them so far when we give them out. Just a little something extra for our new clients. So it's basically right where I'm standing. There's 4 little, probably 2 inches in size pet spots. They have a really small dog. I think it just, maybe got excited or something and just piddled a little bit. So nothing major. The spots actually disappeared because I put some unchained from truck mount forums on it, on those spots. It's actually mixed a little bit in my pre-spray. I'm using Red Label from truck mount forums as well. It's got a cherry scent to it. People seem to like that. I figure giving them a cherry scent for the holidays might be kind of pleasing, more so than other times, because I think self-consciously during different seasons we like to smell certain scents. Pumpkin spice, all that, fun stuff. I don't have that one, but I've used one before in the past and had some people say that was extremely pleasing, and of course I only used it during and around Thanksgiving and Christmas, so basically been using this pre-spray since a couple jobs here and there during this season, just to get some feedback from people. Because if the majority of my clients like the original scent that I was been using, and it aligns more of what I personally think is better as far as scent goes, then I'm probably going to stick with that. It's the same product. There's a black label, blue label, and of course the red that I'm using today. They all do the same thing, just different scents, which I like having a choice personally, especially if a client has a choice. I don't mind giving it to them. Different smell. Some smells put people off, and a lot of times I'll ask, like, hey, do you like this scent? Yes or no? If they do, then I use it. If not, then I switch to a different one if I have it on hand. So if you're watching this and you plan on using us right now, at this very moment, I have Red Label and Black Label. Black, I don't know what to compare it to. I could just tell you that they call the scent Sweet Breeze, and I personally like it more than the red and the blue, but they're currently reworking the blue with a different scent. Currently the one that I have right now, they called it like a blueberry muffin, which I thought was interesting. It doesn't smell bad or anything. It smells good. It's just the Black Label is still my favorite, and that's the one I will default to if nobody cares what the scent is. It's also what is in the Unchained that I use for pets treatments. So regardless if if you have pet stains you need to get out, you're going to have that scent a little bit here and there. Alright guys, that is the end of the CRB for today. Might be doing another job later for a commercial account. Still waiting to hear back from them to confirm. If not, you guys have a Merry Christmas. I really appreciate you watching. My name is Nolan and this is Black Diamond Services. Have a great day.